My dearest love, when our hearts found each other, they became two halves of a whole. With you, my heart feels complete as our love merges into one. Two hearts connected by an invisible thread of love beating as one. Love knows no boundaries as our two hearts merge into an eternal union. Two become one when two are in love, or when the waitress asks about our dinner bill. I will pay next time, I promise. I wish I have an extraordinary power. Then I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. I'm so obsessed with your love that my life revolves around you. My eyes are always searching for your presence. You are such a blessing in my life, for sure. I want you to be eternally happy. You're that fairy tale princess who deserves all the love. You should never have the feeling of dejection. Tears should be a norm to you. I will try my level best to make a paradise for you. I have chosen you for the journey of a lifetime. I know people are skeptical about our relationship. Because we are drastically opposite in nature. But we will prove everyone wrong by our sheer attraction. No matter what happens, we will never part ways. Your magnificent beauty always turns me on. I feel so aroused whenever I feel your intimate touch. I want to make passionate love to you. Your inner peace is equally important to me. I will not let any hardship ever touch you. I will fight till my last breath to make you smile. I get absolutely melted whenever you say, I love you. I feel like I am having a lovely dream. I am the luckiest person in the world to have you. I'll never stop loving you, my dear.